Hey guys, I am back to do another Michael Kors tote. And y'all forgot to include this bag with my other Michael Kors totes, because I had this bag in the office and I forgot to include it with my other video. But anyway, here is another Michael Kors tote. I purchased this bag from the Michael Kors outlet, and this is the center stripe tote. And it's, I don't know if you can really see it in the on there, but it has the gray center stripe, and then this part right here is black. So I thought that was a really cute combination. So here is the bag, and then once again they have the little MK with a little dangly thingy. So here's the front, here's the side, and then here's the back, and it does have a little pocket right here. Here's the other side, and then here is the bottom. There aren't any feet on this bag. Let's see what, okay. So like I said, I got that bag from the outlet also, and y'all know I love me a good old tote. So this is called the Central Stripe Black and Ash Gray Medium Carry-All Tote. And here is the inside of the bag. You're going to have a pocket, a zip pocket here, along with two other pockets here. And then on the other side, you're going to have like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 pockets over here. And I think you probably can put like chapstick, a little small lotion, or you know, different little things like that. Let me see, because here's a little small lotion, so that'll fit like, oh, that's actually a deep little pocket, so that fit all the way down there. And then here is one of the Bath and Body Works body creams, and see, that fits there. Let me get a and then here is a sanitizer. Let me see if that'll fit here. No, that won't fit right there, but it will fit right here on this bottom one. So there's that. So it's just probably like some little stuff you probably can just slip in there, or some little chapstick, lipstick, something like that. So there's that, and then there's the little tag, and then it does no zipper. It just clips right here, which I like my bags when they do it. I think that's so cute. And so it just does it like that. And then here is the back part. Here's my phone. Ooh, that's a deep pocket. So my iPhone 11 fits all the way in there. That's a nice size pocket. Okay, I like that. So there's that. And then I also picked up a wallet, a matching wallet. Y'all, this is a bad wallet. So this wallet right here, it snaps. It has the 2 snaps, so it snaps open. And then it has the card slots here. And then it has a opening there. Then y'all, it has the little card case that comes out. I thought that was so freaking cute. So you're actually getting 2 in 1, because you know they sell these separate. So you get a little card case. So then you have an opening here for the card case, or you can actually put some cards there and put that somewhere else. And then you have the little zip pocket right there. And this is called the Jet Set Travel Ash Gray Multi-Large Card Case Carry-All. So that is cute. They had these in a bunch of different colors also, but I thought this was the neatest thing. And I got this wallet. It was on sale, and plus an extra 25% off, so it was like $44, which wasn't bad. So I thought that was really neat. I want to say the tote was like $112 or something like that. Yeah, like $111. So after they marked down, because it retails for $298. So yeah, I just want to show you guys these two little items that I've been holding on to. So yeah, y'all, that is so freaking cute. And this wallet, you actually can use this. I was thinking about getting I want that Coach has it's like a gray Cassie bag, and I think this wallet will go perfect with it. I think it will. If not, I'm gonna make it go with it. But if I ever get a chance to get my hands on that, I wouldn't have to worry about a wallet, because I will use this to go with it. I don't care if it's a Coach. This Michael Kors wallet is gonna go in there. So yeah, just wanted to show you guys my little small little haul thingy. And I will talk to you guys later, because I got to get back to work. I'm working from home today. So I will talk to you guys later. And if you have any questions, just let me know. Bye.